Finding the best construction contractor in Castro Valley. Are you looking for a reliable construction contractor in Castro Valley? If so, then you are in luck. This blog post will give an overview of why hiring a local construction contractor is beneficial and how to find the best one for your project. When it comes to selecting a construction contractor, it is important to go with someone who is knowledgeable about the area. A local contractor can provide insights on the best materials for your project and the most cost-effective ways to complete it. Additionally, local contractors understand the regulations and building codes that must be adhered to in order to successfully complete a project. They also have relationships with local suppliers which can help keep costs down. Finally, local contractors are more likely to stick around long-term if there are any issues with your project down the line. The best way to find a qualified construction contractor is by asking friends or family members for recommendations. Word-of-mouth referrals tend to be more reliable than online reviews as they come from people that you trust and have personally used their services. Additionally, you can check out professional associations like the National Association of Home Builders, NAHB, or your state's Home Builders Association for further information on reputable contractors in your area. Once you have identified some potential candidates, start interviewing each one separately until you find the right fit for your project. Ask questions about their experience in commercial and residential construction projects and get references from other clients they have worked with before. Be sure to inquire about any specialties they may have, such as green building techniques or energy-efficient solutions that could benefit your project. Lastly, review their portfolio of past work so that you can get an idea of their style and quality of workmanship before making a final decision. If you're looking for a reliable construction contractor in Castro Valley, then look no further than Construction Remodeling in Bay Area. With many years of experience in the industry, they are one of the most trusted names when it comes to getting any kind of job done right the first time around. Their commitment to customer service ensures that each project is completed on time and on budget while still providing top-notch results every single time. Don't hesitate. Contact them today for more information about their services.